Welcome back to ICMMS, the maintenance cloud by Infinity Systems. Work orders are the heart of any maintenance operation. So in this episode, we follow one from the moment a job is raised all the way to a fully costed, signed-off completion. We're signed in with Infinity Manufacturing. Let's open work orders. Here's the work order list. Filter instantly by open, overdue, or completed, search by number, subject, or asset, and sort any column. Notice the columns: priority, the due date that turns red when a job is overdue, the running cost, and the live status you can change right from the list. This is your whole backlog at a glance. Let's open a job. Every work order starts with the essentials: the asset it's against, its maintenance type, its priority, and an assignee. When you set the priority, ICMMS automatically calculates the SLA due date, so your team always knows what's due and when. A single work order can even cover multiple assets at once. The Tasks tab is your digital checklist. Each step can pass, fail, be marked not applicable, or capture a measured value, like a temperature or a pressure reading. Nothing gets forgotten, and every inspection leaves a record. And when a task fails, ICMMS can raise a follow-on corrective work order automatically. Under Parts and Costs, you log every spare part the job consumes, pulled straight from inventory at its real cost, plus any miscellaneous charges like contractor fees. ICMMS rolls parts, labor, and extras into a single, accurate total cost for the job, so you always know what a repair really cost you. The Labor tab captures who worked the job, for how long, and at what rate. Every technician's hours flow into the cost rollup automatically, giving you true labor cost per work order, per asset, and per technician, with zero spreadsheets. Finally, the Completion tab. Record what was done, the findings and recommendations, mark the job complete, and it's locked into the history with a full, auditable timeline: who did what and when. From it's broken to it's fixed, with the entire paper trail captured automatically. That's a work order in ICMMS, end-to-end, tasks, parts, labor, and a true cost per job, all in one place. In the next episode, we'll make maintenance proactive with preventive plans that generate these work orders for you. Thank you for watching.